And so we're going to reflash everything. So the first thing we need to do is put the device in fast boot. So going over here, I hold down the GPIO button, I hit the reset button, and I can see in the serial port, fast boot is entered. So now I can start doing the downloads. Okay, so we got the device in flash boot. So we're ready to reflash everything. Start by moving the new image upstairs. And then we're going to move the old system image out of the way. And move the new one in its place. Okay, now let's go back to the README file. Here's our 3 commands. Starting with the erasing of the cache. Okay, now again, this is going to take a few minutes. I'd just like to point out that I could have simply reflashed the new image directly to the device. And if we then rebooted the device, we'd see it would go through an update stage where all those new APKs would be installed. If we do it this way from scratch, we're just going to get a better experience. So I'll show you what I mean when the device finally comes up. Okay, so that long one is done. User data goes pretty quick. And then the flash all. And that's going to take a long time. When it's done, it's going to reboot the device. So let's just sit back and wait for that to happen. Okay, so now we're done with the download. You can see the kernel is booting up. Okay, so now it's coming up again and again on this first initialization. It's going to take an unusually long amount of time. Okay. So you see, when we have the proprietary APKs installed and we started from scratch, now we get the complete Welcome Wizard experience. So this was the advantage to just starting from scratch. So let's get the process started. And the first thing it wants us to do is set up our Wi-Fi. Okay, now it's going to go fetch down all kinds of updates and stuff like that. You may discover that when you go through the official Welcome Wizard, the device is going to start downloading updates, and this can really hurt performance for about the first half hour or so of this procedure. But like I say, that will be better the next time around. Okay, so now it wants us to set up our Gmail account. Go ahead and do that. Okay, agree to the terms. Okay, some additional questions. Since this is a debug device, we probably just want to turn a bunch of this kind of stuff off. Now, you will definitely encounter situations where there are glitches. That's why it's a development board, not a production board. Okay, it wants to know your identity. And we're finally complete. Okay, so here we are again. And as you can see, now we have all kinds of new stuff, including the Play Store. If we go into settings, we've already entered our Gmail account, but just to make it official, if we go into add accounts, we can see that the Gmail account manager is in fact installed. Let's go ahead and go into the Play Store. Again, it's going to be slow. And one thing that you will definitely encounter is that Google has a secret algorithm for figuring out app compatibility. And because the Pandaboard lacks sensors and all kinds of other stuff, you're going to find that a lot of the apps just mysteriously get filtered out from the Play Store. And how to fix those kinds of problems is a different lecture in itself, but here we are, we're done. This officially concludes how to get the full user experience on Pandaboard. Okay, well this officially ends Android on Pandaboard 101. I hope you found it useful, and if you have any comments or suggestions, go ahead, drop me a line. And there's a lot I didn't talk about, so hopefully I'll be doing some more videos, so you can look out for those in the future. Thanks for watching.